Beautiful morning here. Love the moisture on these leaves of this Grevillea Noelli. So this is Grevillea Noelli, and it kind of looks like similar to a rosemary if you think about it, or in my opinion I should say. And the spines aren't too spiny at all. They do have cute little flowers. Let's see, they're sort of developing right here. Here's some. They're not quite open, but they're kind of peachish color. They're not as bright as like a pink pearl or other Grevilleas. But Grevillea Noelli is a really popular plant in the Inland Empire. The Grevillea, it's actually was cultivated for the first time in California. And at Riverside, Inland Empire, you'll see them a lot on hillsides and slopes. And they're kind of similar to Grevillea pink pearl. So what I like about this one is its spines are not hard at all, and it's really drought tolerant. So this thing gets a lot of heat and sun in the summer, and it's only on 1 or 2 drippers, and it's about 7 feet and just a couple years wide. So it's more of a ground cover as well. It's not going to get so tall like other varieties of Grevillea. And this one I would say is one of the more hardy Grevillea than maybe one with the larger leaves. But I really like this Grevillea Noelli. It's really popular throughout California. It's not hard to find at a lot of retail establishments. And the flowers, they're just not quite open yet. Could have been that cold rainstorm we got to they're just not as vibrant right now as what I usually remember. So Grevillea Noelli, it's definitely something that in the yard in Southern California, it's just kind of a wonderful accent plant in my opinion. So there you go. Give us a like and a subscribe. And if you have any questions about Grevillea Noelli, give us a comment or ask us a question in the comment section. And just remember, you never want to give these things fertilizer, especially phosphorus. Very, very deadly for this plant. So here's the bloom. And they're more petite than most Grevillea, but really unique in their own way. All right, have a great day. Take care. Give us a like and a subscribe. Bam. Dude, it's creepy.